Okay, so 1st of April 2022, got the good news in my email that I've been awarded the MVP award for Office Apps and Services, specifically, for Excel. So less than a month, from that, the MVP award kit has arrived, and I want to unbox like most MVPs have done. So let's get into it. I already opened the part. I was trying to peep in, but I haven't opened the box. Okay, so I'm going to pull out the box now, and then let's see. Okay, all right. Wow, looks really nice. Just gonna keep this here. Based on my rehearsals, I think I should turn it this way. Wait, let me open it first, then turn it. Okay, so open, then kind of turn for people to see. Okay, good. So thank you. I guess this is Microsoft thanking me. So I accept the thanks, and then there's a beautiful certificate here. You guys are getting to see it before me. That's really nice. So okay, and let's see. So Victor Momo signed by Satya. Nice. Did he actually sign? Okay, well, he signed. Okay, so all right, what more do we have here? Okay, so that's like my MVP. Looks like an ATM card, but no, it's not. And then I guess so it's even written here. So it's a lapel pin. Wow, nice. Okay, so those ones are my private property, so mind your business. All right, so let's get into the main one. I think that's this guy here. So I'm just gonna pull this, and then I'm gonna just keep. Okay, well, there are a few things here, so let me just check this out first. What else? Okay, just this. I'm just gonna put this to the side. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Okay, MVP stickers. Okay, notice. Okay, this is to me, notice to receiver. So MVP stickers. I'll figure out what to do with these, but they look very beautiful. Not the kind of thing you put on your car, like. Okay, so now to, as they say, the elephant in the room, the main guy. So let's open this one up. Okay, wow. This looks very solid. So hold on while I try to get it out in the best way possible. Wow, nice. Microsoft Most Valuable Professional. Looks and feels nice. Smells nice too. I know there's a ring, so I just need to figure out where that is. Where are you, ring? Okay, yes, here it is. All right, so the ring has 2022 on it, and from what I've seen, you kind of just stack it up here, right? So 2022, and as you get more rings, you can stack them up. So like, how many do I need to fill this up? Who knows? Maybe about 10. But this is really nice. So, well, a friend told me, Farah, he said, "Oh, Victor, when you see it, you will love it." And yes, I actually do. And I know a lot of you would be like, "Oh, okay, yes, I would love to have something like this." And I'll just tell you, what the MVP award is about, really. It's about recognizing, I would say, technical leaders, for their technical expertise, community leadership, and, community influence. So if you are somebody who supports people in communities, you answer questions on forums, you share knowledge, just keep doing that. Somebody will recognize you. People are seeing those efforts, and in due time, you get recognized. Maybe an MVP will nominate you, a Microsoft employee, gets to nominate you. But trust me, just keep at it. And in due time, you will reap if you faint not. So I guess I'm done with this. So this is not a time to relax. It's a time to invest more so we can get more rings. So back to work. So thank you. I guess I'm done with this video. So do I need to put this? No, I just keep this and I just unbox. Okay, so see you guys when I get the next one in 2023.